How to generate samurai katana girl in Stylar.Ai. Open Chrome. Search Stylar.ai.com. Click on New Project. Click on Text to Image. Choose Into the Future Style. Here you can write your prompt. A slender athletic girl with long legs, very high-heeled shoes, in her hand a long samurai katana sword, hair tied in a ponytail, in the style of Japanese cyberpunk, in Bangkok. Photo below, in the style of Christopher Nolan, high-quality photography, in an epic pose. Click on Stylar.Ai. Wait a minute. Boom, check the result.